Over the last 2.5 years, our team has spent countless hours developing and perfecting our first line, now known as the Winter Solstice. We've put our blood, sweat, and tears into prototype after prototype. After a lot of trial and error, working to make this line as strong yet comfortable as possible, we have finally been able to bring you the first durable and functional, yet sleek and comfortable jacket backpack. But we decided that we weren't going to stop there. A flexible solar charger, along with our 4400 mAh touchscreen battery pack, comes with every unit. The Winter Solstice has a fully water-repellent exterior with a soft quilted, water-resistant lining and detachable hood. Our solar charger is completely detachable and flexible, making it feel as if it wasn't back there at all. From our heat-circulating quilted interior to our polished stainless steel jacket backpack buckles, we have strived for quality at every single turn. At Evolution Wear, we have worked to bring clothing into a new phase of life. The release of our first line, the Winter Solstice, marks what we hope to be the beginning of this new phase. It is time for us to spark a clothing revolution, to evolve and have clothing do more than just keep us warm and portray fashion. Clothing is something we carry around on a daily basis, so why shouldn't it?
I'm Anish Sethi, founder of Pavlok. Now I know that electric shock sounds crazy, but sometimes crazy works. Like many revolutionary ideas, ours started off just as a fun project, but it turned into something much more. Together with my co-founder, Jim Lynch, we set out to create Pavlok, the world's first device that doesn't just track what you do, but actually changes what you do. Here you see Pavlok in its wristband form, but at its core, Pavlok is a small module. It's small enough that it can stick anywhere on your body. Now, Pavlok is able to vibrate, beep, and even electrically shock you on command. But what Pavlok can do is much more. Instead of me telling you what Pavlok can do, let me show you what Pavlok has already done.
Hi, my name is David Goldstein. I'm hoping to use Pavlok to get me into a better exercise routine. I am a cancer survivor. I've had a heart attack. I was in a wheelchair for a while, and I still have some paralysis in both legs. As you can see, I've put on a great deal of weight, and I'm hoping that Pavlok can help me address all of those issues. I am at 65 days out of the past 71 of using the Pavlok system. I am down 7 pounds. My arms have got noticeably stronger, and my legs are actually the strongest they've been since I was paralyzed in 2001. I'm gonna go play with my kids more at the end of the day. It's now just part of who I am and what I do.
You see, most of us just don't know what greatness feels like. We assume that we're gonna do what we've always done. But users like David tell a different story. When they begin to fall back into their old routine, Pavlok jolts them out of it. In most cases, their old routine can be replaced in fewer than 30 days. People are already using Pavlok to begin writing every day, to learn new languages, to exercise, to journal, to begin to form and break dozens of new habits. In fact, there's infinite capabilities thanks to Pavlok's open developer API. I know firsthand how powerful small habit changes can be.
Know why Charlotte and Jeff fall asleep so quickly and so deeply, even on the most stressful days? They're relaxed because they're getting hugged by the weighted blanket called Hugly. By not getting proper sleep, you're slowly draining yourself, increasing your stress level, and undermining your productivity rate. If you often face stress, anxiety, sleep deprivation, panic attacks, and loneliness, the Hugly weighted blanket will help you feel protected, and you will sleep deeply like a baby. The therapeutic weighted blanket distributes deep pressure ideally across your body. Hugly imitates the sense of hugging, which improves your mood and provides healthy sleep at the same time. It's scientifically proven that a weighted blanket helps you relax. It's also proven that healthy sleep and proper diet are primary elements for any person's body. To succeed at life and stay effective, you have to take care of your sleep and let your body recover. Why should you choose the Hugly weighted blanket? There are 7 major reasons. To make sure you've kept warm even on the most chilly days, we've made one side of the blanket out of warm, dotted, minky material. Most people can't use a regular weighted blanket because it gets too hot and they sweat. So we've used a cooling bamboo material on the reverse side, which won't let the skin overheat and keeps it at a comfortable temperature. Our bamboo is the type used for premium bedding sets. We've increased the density from 200 to 300 T, which improves its durability, yet allows the bamboo to stay amazingly soft. Other weighted blankets end up torn, and their filler gets scattered everywhere. That is why we've used a reinforced side stitching to prevent the filler from spilling. Other blankets' filler eventually leaks into the neighboring pockets, and as a result, all the weight ends up concentrated in one spot. We've implemented double stitching, which prevents filler spillage, and reduced pocket dimensions from the standard 6x6 to 4x4 for an even better weight distribution. With weighted blankets, the material undergoes higher strain and breaks down relatively soon. We're using only 100% cotton with an increased density of 300 T, reaching the perfect balance of material durability and hardness. Every time you wash a regular weighted blanket, you'll need to untie 12 or numerous laces, and then tie them back after the wash. We feel this procedure is quite tiresome, so we used Velcro fasteners for quick attachment of your blanket to its cover. To avoid having to whip the blanket, we've used a very sturdy zipper on our cover, which opens at an angle of 270 degrees. We're using special glass beads for the blanket's weight. We've also reduced the size of the filler beads to 0.7 millimeters. This allows you to enjoy maximum comfort and you won't feel them. Right now, you have the unique opportunity to purchase our blanket for a special price and become a part of the brand. Your body knows exactly what it needs. It needs deep sleep. It needs Hugly.
Our wireless world is awesome. We're always connected and we're just one touch away from the things that matter most. But what happens to our wireless world when the battery runs out? Wireless cameras are wireless until you need power. So I've been trying to figure out for some time how to make a wireless camera, a true wireless camera that me, or more importantly my mom, could quickly and easily set up. So I thought, why not solar? Traditionally, solar panels were a bit too expensive and a bit too big, but we found a better way. Combining solar technology with our patent-pending power management system, we were able to create the first truly wireless camera. And we mean really, truly wireless. The sun charges the battery, and the battery powers the camera. So even if you live in Seattle and you haven't seen the sun, solar camera still works for you. You're asleep, so is solar cam, but solar cam sleeps with one eye open, day and night, to watch over what matters most to you and to save battery life. Side of your house has no sun? No problem. The detachable solar panel brings the sun to your solar camera.
The cool thing about Cyan is that it has solar panels on the entire car body, so the sun recharges the battery during the day, even if it's cloudy. We use polycarbonate to protect the solar cells. Polycarbonate has the advantage of being unbreakable and scratch resistant, and it's even lighter than glass. With a total area of 7.5 square meters, the solar cells recharge the battery up to 30 kilometers a day, additionally to the normal range. This car is perfect for a commuter who drives every single day to his work and in the evening back home, or for a camping lover, because the Cyan supports bi-directional charging, so you can plug in all your electronic devices you have. Just imagine you have electricity wherever you are. No worries about the range, no worries about the costs. or even just for your everyday work, the Sign provides you working tools with a power output of up to 2 kilowatts.
Another useful feature is our system called Resono. The special thing about it, we use a certain moss. It is integrated into the vents and acts as a natural air filter using electromagnetic charge. This moss filters out pollution like fine dust produced by the industry and combustion engines. It really requires no care, since this plant draws its water from the air. It is also soundproofing and assigned in the fire protection class B1.